In this video, not only are we tackling a massive cleanup, but we'll also end up in the river catching fish with our bare hands. But for those of you who are new here, let me show you where we are and why we are doing this. The husband of the woman who lives in this house passed away, leaving her completely alone with no one to help. Her house and yard were completely overwhelmed by trash and overgrown weeds. In the first part, we started a difficult mission to transform her entire place. And today we continue with part 2, where even bigger challenges await us. Without wasting any time, let's get to work. Our challenge for today is to fix up the main entrance of the house, which has been completely overgrown by weeds. As you can see, this grass hasn't been cut in years. It's so thick that the trimmer can barely push through. Every single meter is a real challenge, but we have no intention of stopping until this entrance is completely clear. Even though we finished cutting and cleaning this area, the look of the front entrance is still not perfect. There is still something missing, and it does not look the way we want it to look yet. We need to do more work on this specific spot, clean the dirt, and fix the small details around the door so that the entrance can finally look completely clean and beautiful for this woman. So, we have to start cutting the grass again because we want to open up the path as much as possible. The entrance is still not clear enough, and we need to make a wide and safe way for this woman to walk to her front door without any problems. We are going to use the machine again on this side to cut every single piece of grass down to the ground, so the whole area can look open, big, and completely clean. It is also very important to say that the temperature today is extremely high and the weather is very hot. The strong sun is beating down on us while we work, and this heat is making our job much more difficult than it already is. Working outside in this high temperature drains all of our energy quickly, and we have to push ourselves through the sweat to keep going and finish cutting this grass.
Whew, guys, I don't know what to say. I'm so tired. So please, subscribe. Look. Oh my God.
Now that you see us working in this difficult condition and in this extreme heat, many of you are probably asking the question, how much money are we getting paid to do this job? Our answer to you is that we are absolutely not taking even one single dollar for this. We are doing this entire project completely for free and as volunteers because we want to bring a smile back to the face of a person who is left all alone in this world. We want to show everyone that good people and humanity still exists. That is why, you good people, your support gives us so much motivation to keep going. So please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. As you can see now, we are cleaning the area right in front of the front door. Even in this specific spot, wild grass has grown everywhere, and people have thrown a lot of trash here, which we are cleaning up step by step. But it is very important to say that there is still so much work to do on this house until we bring it back to a normal condition. A very big and difficult job is waiting for us here, and we have a long way to go. While we were cleaning, a small guest jumped and got stuck on our cleaning tools. As you can see, our guest is a little grasshopper. We were very careful with him, and without hurting him or causing him any damage, we put him back down into nature so he can jump around freely and go wherever he wants. Now it is time for lunch, and we decided to take a little break from all the hard work. Earlier, some people told us that near the place where we are working, there is a river that has a lot of fish inside. Because of that, we decided to walk down to the river and try to catch some fish so we can cook them and eat them for our lunch. The thing that makes this moment even more interesting is that we did not catch these fish with a fishing rod, and we did not have any special fishing tools with us at all. We caught every single fish using only our bare hands. This whole situation gave us so much excitement and a huge rush of adrenaline, but at the same time, it was just very relaxing and fun for us to do. This was the biggest fish that I caught today, and we also have a few other fish that are a little bit smaller than this one. You can see how fresh it is, and together with the smaller ones, this is going to make a perfect meal for us. After we rested for a bit and finished eating our lunch, we are going back to work again. Like I told you at the beginning, we still have a very long way to go and so many things left to finish. We got our energy back, and now it is time to focus entirely on this yard to do the rest of the cleaning. The ground in this area also had a lot of hidden stones and rocks, so I want to take this moment to show you how our brush cutter got broken and damaged while we were working. When the fast blade hits these hard stones, it causes a big problem, and unfortunately, the machine could not handle it. I will show you the damage closely so you can see exactly what happened to our tool. During a big cleanup process like this, so many different things can happen on the field. But one of the best parts about it is that we also have some very funny moments together. It is not just hard work all day. We also like to have fun, make jokes, and laugh to keep our spirits up. Take a look at this next clip and watch what happened. Three days later, and this is the final result. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. I'm looking forward to your comments, and I read every single one of them.